Take a ride in the 2021 Corvette. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lamps, rear-wheel drive, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, HD radio, cruise control, floor mats, console. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.